This video solves the problem with the ASP message, error message that decide the error is 404. Let's do something like this. When you upload a lot of files, then an error comes up. Now this one. You see there, that's the error message IIS 10 detailed error 404 or 404.13 not found. This is caused, or this happens when you load a lot of files, big files, onto a web server, an IIS web server. If you have there an ASP.NET Core 2 application, then you normally have this program and startup stuff. But you should add there a new existing file, and you find here in ASP.NET Core Web, or installed ASP.NET Core Web, ASP.NET Web config file. And then you take the stuff from that side, from that code block, which says, simply take it, drop it in there, which says request limits, max allowed content length is something about 700 MB. I found this code also on a web document. That's about 700, 700. So keep there a point and point. So you see that's 700 MB. It's written in byte. So we start it again, we save it and start it. And now I'm uploading a bunch of files. These files. And I see all those files are loaded up to nearly 1 gig. You may change that value. There is one point on your controller. You may also set there a limit. This one, request size limit, but this one is the leading one. You first have to set the web server limit, and then if you set there 1 gig, for example 1 gigabyte, so this is 1 meg, then take out all that stuff. So this is around 1 gig. And when you have this one, you may set a lower side here on the upload stuff. So when you're uploading a small image files for, let's say, for an avatar or something, or profile image, then you may downsize it to a smaller amount. And so you're dedicated to have implicit special values on the upload. On each different upload file action. You find that code on my website, Kudoku error 404, and you may copy that code into your file.